Oh, Jace Tunnell here. Look what we came up on today. Oh, a lot of sand coming out of here. Now, I've talked about these before, at least in the photos and stuff that we take, you know, on Fridays. But this is actually a weather balloon. So the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has these. On the side here, it says harmless weather instrument. I guess because it might look like a battery or something, and it's got this wire that comes out, which actually transmits data to them. Whenever they send these balloons up into the atmosphere, it gives them a bunch of data. And I don't know if you know this, but they send 92 of these balloons up every single day around the United States. And they are made up of a couple of different types of material. Some of them, it's bad. So, well, I mean, I'd say not bad. It's good for what it's made for. So it goes up, collects the data, pops, then has a parachute, comes back down, and it gives them data all the way down. So rubber is what the balloon is made of, kind of what you would think about. Sometimes we find them with sea turtle bites, which is really kind of that's one of the impacts. The other impact is that it has this orange parachute, and this parachute sometimes has turtle bites in it, but it also has this string. And so the string is what allows it to come down slowly. But that, you know, that could cause entanglement with sea turtles and birds. So really, that's kind of the big thing that we'd want to watch out for. But also what I see here, and I've shown you this before. So this is, you'll find sometimes where everything is just, there's no rope, no parachute, none of the rubber part, but the base of it, you'll have the base of the balloon, which is a real thick rubber looking thing. Okay, so now used to, when we would find these things, it would also have a tube on it that would have a bag in there, and so that bag would be how you would mail this piece back. So Noah used to want that, but now they don't ask you to send this back or anything. They don't have a tube with a bag, and so I guess, you know, the best thing to do is just pick it up and dispose of it. So if you find one, pick it up and dispose of it. And the reason they use these versus you know, satellite data that they get, some of the buoys that they have in the Gulf of Mexico and around, you know, all around the U.S. and the waterways, is for atmospheric data. This is one of the best ways that they can collect that information. So I was going to try to pick it up here and show you how big it is, but man, it is really tangled up in here. Here we go. Yeah, look, it has a glow stick on there. So I guess that glow stick, they pop it and it allows them to be able to see it as it's going up, or maybe even as it's coming down. But look how big this is. You can imagine how big this thing is whenever it's you know, actually blown up. And I want to say the thing is, the rubber part of it is like 6 foot tall or something like that. I mean, it's big. And actually, they have a website you can go on. Just type in NOAA weather balloon, and you'll see they have a whole website. It tells you how many they put up, where they put them up, why they're using them, and all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to go ahead, pick this up, and put it on my bike, and I'm going to dispose of it properly. But I thought if any of y'all find these, which is pretty common, I found 4 of these today. I found 4 of these. So it's pretty common to be able to find them. Pick them up, dispose of them properly. Now you know what they are. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.